Hello everyone. So today we are going to study a very interesting story under reading skills. Perfect your reading skills. So students, you see this Golu grows a nose. So this is the topic, the title. You can see the beautiful pictures here and have a background image in your mind. This is your pre-reading exercise, what you will do in your mind, that what will be the story about. Okay, so when you read the story, please follow the instructions which I have given you in my first video, that how we should do effective reading. Read the questions, the task here. If you will read the task, you will get an idea about what the story is. Okay. Like, whom does Golu ask, why don't you ever fly like other birds? Which uncle of Golu had red eyes? Golu's relatives did not answer his questions because they were shy, the questions were too difficult. Golu was a naughty baby. Who advised Golu to go to the Limpopo River? Why did Golu go to the river? The crocodile lay on the bank of the Limpopo River. Golu thought it was a living crocodile, a dead crocodile, a log of wood. What did the crocodile do to show that it was a real crocodile? Come here, little one, and I'll whisper the answer to you. The crocodile said this because he couldn't stand up. He wanted to eat Golu. Golu was deaf. Who helped Golu on the bank of the river? Name two things the elephant can do with his trunk, and two he cannot. So now when you have read the questions, it will be clear that what the story is about. This is a very simple and interesting story, and it is from your textbook, of course. And I have taken this because of two reasons. One, it will improve your listening skills. Like when I'm reading the questions, you are hearing. So it will improve your listening skills. Plus, when you will read the story, it will improve your reading skills. And then you can give answers to these questions. Okay. Now you enjoy the story, read it slowly. Now you must have read the story. You can pause the video if you are not able to read. as per my pace. Now you answer the questions which are given in the first slide. Now students, if you are able to give the answers, that means your reading is excellent, because the answers are really very easy. But if you are not able to give, reread and try to give the answers. And on the basis of your answers, you write the story, the summary of the story in about 150 words. This is your writing assignment. So with this story, we have covered 3 skills: reading, listening, and writing. When you do this assignment of writing the summary of the story, send it to your teachers. They will check that and tell the mistakes, whatever mistakes are there. So in this way, we have finished a very interesting story. And keep watching the channel and wait for another story. In the same way, it will be here. Thank you. Have a nice day.